When we talk about the modern interior designs, one element that instantly upgrades the look of a house is the false ceiling. So, among all materials available today, so PVC false ceiling is becoming one of the most popular choice in Indian homes. So, but what exactly is the PVC false ceiling? Why are so homeowners are choosing it, and what are the latest price for installing the PVC false ceiling? So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. What is a PVC false ceiling? So PVC stands for the polyvinyl chloride, which is a lightweight plastic material widely used in construction and interior works. PVC false ceiling is a suspended ceiling systems made using the PVC panels that are installed below the main slab ceiling. So these panels comes in a various colors, textures and finishes, as you can see in this video, including the wood finish and a matte finish. Unlike the traditional POP, PVC panels are factory made and ready to install. And one of the biggest advantages of PVC false ceiling, it is a clean and modern look. So PVC panels comes in wooden texture designs, decorative patterns. So if you want a luxury look without spending too much money, PVC ceiling can easily enhance the overall interior appearance. It works beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, shops. So especially in small rooms, PVC ceiling with proper lighting can make the space look elegant and finish. And this is one of the most important benefit that PVC false ceiling is completely waterproof. Like unlike the POP or gypsum, it does not absorb the water, it does not swell or it does not crack due to the moisture. That is why PVC ceiling is also perfect for even kitchens, bathrooms, balcony areas. So in cities with a high humidity, PVC ceilings performs much better than many traditional materials. In India, termite problems are very common. So wooden ceilings or wooden panels can get damaged over the time. So PVC ceiling is termite resistant, does not attract the insect, and even does not root. So you don't have to worry about the long-term pest damage. This makes it is a very low maintenance solutions. PVC panels are very lightweight compared to POP or gypsum boards. So advantages of light material is less load on building structures and a faster installation, and no heavy curing process. So installation process is clean and quick. No water curing, no heavy mess, and very minimal dust compared to the POP ceiling work. So for renovation projects, PVC ceiling is very convenient because it saves the time. And also it is a very low in maintenance and easy cleaning. So maintenance is another strong point. Like PVC ceiling does not require repainting and also can be cleaned easily with a wet cloth. Does not collect much dust. So if any stain appears, you can simply wipe it off. This make it ideal for even in the kitchens, commercial interiors, and long-term maintenance is cost is very low. So friends, now let's talk about the price. So actually the price starts from 110 rupees per square feet. So suppose your ceiling size is 150 square feet. It will cost you around 16 to 17,000 rupees, and in this price everything is included like labor charges, materials. So friends, if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID, which I given in the description. So friends, if you want more details, please contact through my mail ID, which I mentioned in the description. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, because here you will get the interior tips and ideas and the latest price of house interior designs. So friends, thank you for watching. Thank you once again. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.